Welcome to Mrs. Lake, what's up with my grade, or why do I have an F? I use zero-based grading. For example, say there's 1,000 points possible in any given course. Right now, every student in that course has a 0 out of 1,000 points. They have a 0 for every single assignment, or a 0%. Whenever they complete something, they earn points, and that 0 gets replaced. So, for example, you take that first quiz, now you have 5 out of 1,000, or a 0.5% in the course. You will never, ever go back to having a 0% again. Every point you earn, you keep, and you will always be improving. So you might have a 0.5% today, a 3% after that lab gets done, and 12% after you finish your paper. Your grade is always going up. Even if you don't do well on something, your grade still goes up. Say you really bomb the test and only get 20 out of 75 points. That is still 20 points that you didn't have before. Now that can be tricky to kind of figure out, well, where am I at? This is a sample from a spreadsheet that I created for different courses. Look at October 6th, down there at the bottom. For example, if your goal was to have a 90% or get an A in this course, by October 6th, that's how many assignments we've had in the course, and you should have about 216 points already in the course if your goal is to have an A. If your goal is to have an A and you don't have 216 yet, well, get that lab done, or retake that test to see if you can earn a few more points. That spreadsheet is coming. Please watch for it in the announcements, and always focus on that percentage when you log in and watch it go up and up. Then get your happy dance ready for about 3 months into the course when you pass and get to your first level up, a D. But once you get to that point, why not level up again? How many more points do you need to get to a C? Remember, it's all about the points. Doesn't matter where they come from, only matters that you have them. It's just like a game, and you are in control.